year-round subtropical weather conditions, fertile soils and good clean water. India is an ideal location for fruit and vegetables production. Apart from the domestic consumption, India is also increasing its share of exports in this segment year on year. Post-liberalization of economic policies in the country, a few highly modern plants are set up for production of processed vegetable products for exports. India has taken a dominant position in gherkin exports. Welcome to the world of Ken Agritech. The southern state of Karnataka is India's prime horticultural producing region. Ken Agritech, located in Hubli in northern Karnataka, processes and markets gherkins, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, beetroots and other vegetables in industrial and retail private label packs. Our customers include brands in Europe, Russia, USA and Australia. Ken also caters to new and emerging markets in Asia and Africa. Ken has also launched a range of products for the domestic market after careful evaluation and research of the Indian palate. Ken Agritech is a joint venture company between Indian promoters and European partners, established as a bulk gherkin processing unit in 1997. It has grown rapidly to become one of the largest producers of premium gherkins and other vegetables from India. The biggest advantage of Ken is that we can produce various fruits and vegetables round the year, since the location offers ideal agroclimatic conditions. There is also tremendous scope to expand production to neighbouring states of Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh.
We have established this company in 1997. It's a joint venture between Indian promoters and a Belgian company. We have realized early on that unless until farmer succeeds, we don't have sustainable business model.
Adherence to customer specification is ensured all through the value chain. International food safety standards are enforced at every step of the process, ensuring that only the safest and finest quality product reaches the consumers. Ken is FDA registered and certified for IFS, FFSC 22000 food safety systems and kosher. Ken is socially compliant as per SEDEX members' ethical trade standards. The operations and facilities at Ken have been audited and approved by major customers on global food, health and safety standards. Fresh produce is procured by a company-managed agri-operations system from contracted small and marginal farmers around the factory location. The structured agri team is headed by a senior qualified and experienced manager, supported by area officers, field assistants and logistics support staff. Ken has strong selection criteria for choosing an area and farmer. Availability of clean water, suitable soil and logistic advantage away from industrial pollutants are factors considered. Every activity, from selection of area till delivery to the factory, is closely monitored and documented. Farmers are trained and obliged to produce as per the package of practices laid down by Ken. Utmost care is taken to ensure that only approved pesticides listed as per EU or US FDA standards are used for plant protection. Good post-harvest techniques ensure that freshness is retained till the final packaging. Currently, Ken is producing about 15,000 tons gherkins, okra 1,000 tons, cherry tomatoes 1,000 tons, jalapenos 500 tons, baby corn 500 tons, sweet corn 1,000 tons, and beetroot 200 tons annually. Ken has been a preferred supplier to Unilever Best Food for several years, supplying the largest volume for the leading Amora and My brands. As a partner in Unilever's Global Sustainable Agri Initiative, Ken has quickly implemented sustainable agricultural practice and has been certified. This achievement is a matter of great pride for the Ken team and differentiates Ken from the rest. Ken's vision on sustainability is meeting current needs without sacrificing the future, maintain wildlife and natural vegetation habitats, promoting renewable energy consumption, focused biodiversity action plan, labor practices, social and environmental equity. Ken believes in and follows a rigorous extensive training of all field personnel, down to the farm labourers. There is a team of qualified trainers who go around and train all sections of people who contribute for the quality of the product. Field days are organised for farmers, input suppliers and customers from time to time. Training on crop management, chemical usage, storage, health, pest management is an ongoing activity. As a part of its diversification initiatives, the Agri team at Ken also has been successfully producing a range of fruits and vegetables to cater to its associate companies and retail sector. Some of these crops are melons, papaya, pomo, okra and chilies. Processing. Ken has a world-class food processing plant with state-of-the-art facilities and imported modern equipments. The plant has a capacity of producing 15 million jars per annum. Total vegetable handling capacity up to 120 tons per day. And warehouse capacity of holding 35 to 40 containers at any given time. Good controls and traceability system have been established from farm to fork. The fresh produce is stored at a controlled temperature in a chilled room before processing, and FIFO for processing is followed. High personnel hygiene and safety standards are maintained from entry points till dispatch. All raw materials, packing materials are procured from approved vendors, and utmost care is taken to make sure food safety is not compromised at any stage. Water being an important ingredient, RO water is used for processing. Food-grade ingredients are being sourced from approved vendors. Vegetables are culled, washed and graded as per client's specifications. They are then finally packed in food-grade HDPE drums and exported in bulk for further conversion into retail consumer packs. processing line for retail packs, jars are filled with vegetables and checked for required net drained weights. Metal detection system is in place to ensure metal contamination in the finished product is avoided. After filling brine, jars and cans are sealed to get precise closure parameters. There are automatic vacuum detectors installed to monitor cap sealing. PLC controllers and online high-tech instruments are used to monitor all key quality parameters. Jars or cans are pasteurized, cooled and dried before coding and storing to undergo stabilization process. Every batch's thermal processing is verified and documented using data logger. Representative samples are drawn from each batch to check finished product parameters. After stabilization, jars and cans are labeled, packed and shipped as per client's specific requirements. The final products in drums are checked by quality control personnel for sensory, chemical and microbiological specifications before each container shipment. Complete quality and traceability records are maintained for all shipments. Final shipments are through Mumbai Port, which is the most efficient port in the country, offering minimum transit time to all base ports around the world. Ken has well-equipped chemical, microbiological and product development labs facility. This enables us to demonstrate that all quality parameters are adhered to. The final product is checked by quality control before each shipment. Ken offers in bulk packs gherkins in vinegar, gherkins in acetic acid and fermented gherkins in brine. In consumer packs, Ken's offerings include gherkins whole in various sizes and cut products like slices, stackers, sticks and relish. Cherry tomato whole and cherry tomatoes assorted with gherkins. Plum tomatoes, mixed vegetables, jalapeno whole and slices, beetroot whole and slices, baby corn and sweet corn, mango slices in sugar syrup and exotic banderillas. conclusion. In the long term, we strongly believe that India will remain the most competitive producer of premium quality gherkins to the world due to the favorable situation here. And Ken has positioned itself to take advantage of its knowledge and experience in the business to be in the forefront of the Indian gherkin industry.